everyone, welcome to Kalpa Art. If you have already completed the first set of patterns, welcome to the next step in your practice journey. And if this is your first video from the series, don't worry, you can start anywhere and simply enjoy the process. As these patterns slowly take shape on the page, notice how a blank space gradually transforms into something beautiful. That's one of the things I love most about mandala art. We don't begin with a finished picture in mind. We begin with a few simple lines and then allow the design to grow naturally. There is something very calming about drawing with a black fine liner. No colors, no complicated tools, no pressure to create a masterpiece. Just a pen, a few strokes, and a quiet moment for yourself. Many people think mandala art is about creating perfect designs. But over time, I have realized that it's really about the experience. The steady movement of the pen, the repetition of the shapes, and the focus required to stay present in the moment. When we draw patterns like these, our minds naturally slow down. For a few minutes, we stop thinking about deadlines, responsibilities, notifications, and all the little worries that fill our day. Our attention stays with the line we are drawing right now. One of the best ways to improve in mandala art is through pattern practice. Every pattern you learn becomes part of your creative vocabulary. The more patterns you collect, the easier it becomes to create your own original mandalas in the future. And the wonderful thing is that there are no limits. A simple petal can become dozens of different patterns. A small curve can inspire a completely new design. The possibilities keep growing with every page you fill. If you are practicing along with me, don't worry about drawing quickly. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Some days your lines will be smoother than others, and that's perfectly fine. Progress in art happens through consistency, not perfection. I often tell my students that every page of pattern practice is like planting seeds. At first, it seems repetitive, but with time, those small exercises become confidence, creativity, and skill. As you watch these patterns form one by one, I hope this video gives you a chance to slow down and enjoy a few peaceful minutes. Whether you are drawing with me, having a cup of tea, or simply relaxing after a busy day, thank you for spending this time here. If you would like to practice these patterns yourself, don't forget that the free grid and shape template used in this series is available through my Instagram channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with next 10 patterns.
If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.